This is the worked examples video for half-life calculations. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, halve the count rate for each half-life. Second, find how many half-lives have passed. And third, work out the total time. Half-life questions are just repeated halving. Each half-life that passes, the count rate falls to half of what it was. So to find how many half-lives have gone by, count how many times you have to halve the starting value to reach the final value. Then the total time is simply that number of half-lives multiplied by the length of one half-life. Let's work one through. A count rate falls from 800 to 100 becquerels, and the half-life is 5 days. Find the time taken. Halve step by step, 800 to 400 to 200 to 100. That took 3 halvings, so 3 half-lives have passed. The total time is 3 half-lives times 5 days each, which is 15 days. Now a fraction question. A sauce has a half-life of 2 hours. What fraction is left after 8 hours? First find the number of half-lives. 8 hours divided by 2 hours is 4 half-lives. Now halve 4 times, a whole becomes a half, a quarter, an eighth, a 16th. So 1/16th of the original sample is left after 8 hours. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. A count rate falls from 240 to 30. How many half-lives is that? Question 2. Half-life is 10s. Find the time for 6400 to fall to 800. Question 3. What fraction is left after 3 half-lives? Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1. 3 half-lives, 240, 120, 60, 30. Number 2. 30s, 6400, 3200, 1600, 800. 3 half-lives, x, 10. Number 3. 108. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.